everyone, welcome back to Jen's Hangouts. Today we have Splendies, my favorite subscription besides my tea subscription. But anyway, this is the best. Okay, this is Splendies. My link is always down below. It's not an affiliate link, it's just let's get into this bad boy. But my link for this is always down below. I cannot recommend it enough. I love my Splendies. I have now converted all of my chonies to Splendies. All of them. They are a wonderful. They are $15 a month, I think, for the regular sizes, which is extra small to extra large. And then I have a fan blowing in my face, so my bangs are just doing their own thing. Or they are $16, $16.99 for the plus sizes, which is 1X to 4X. And that's what I get, because I get the 1X because the lace panties tend to run just slightly smaller than the rest. So this is what they look like, and oh my gosh, we love our Splendies. They are fantabulous. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. They're purple. The best color ever. Best color. We love our Splendies. Okay, so the first pair. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Look at the sides. Those are adorable. Look at those. So cute. So cute with the crisscrossies. Yes. Oh, and they're so stretchy. These are going to be super comfy. Yes, thank you. And then, oh, these are very cute. Okay, they're pretty plain in the front, right? But check out the back. Super cute. Here, I'll go this way. Super cute with the crisscrosses. Love that in the periwinkle. Very cute. My nose will not stop running my allergies. The lilac bushes are in full force. Anyway, these are so cute as well. They're see-through, but beautiful. I love them. They're so cute. You cannot help but feel very feminine, very just, you know. Okay, these are Splendies brands, and then I didn't even notice. Splendies has a couple brands. These are the periwinkle ones are Splendies brand. And then the purple ones, they're all Splendies brands. Yay for that. So that is my Splendies for the month of May. Blessings to all. I'll see you guys later.